Let's jazz up this candle plate with a napkin, and it's going to be washable. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have a napkin. I'm going to get it down to 1 ply. Then I have this, it's a candle plate from Dollar Tree. I wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol, just make sure it's clean. It's wicked nubby on the back, just to let you know. Then I'm going to take some dishwasher safe Mod Podge, which I got mine at Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? Then I'm going to cover the back of our candle plate with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and it's a really thin layer. I wouldn't go crazy pants just because it'll cause more wrinkles if you put too heavy of a layer of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge on that. So there's that. And then how I put my napkin on, I actually folded my napkin in half, and you're going to be putting it pretty side down, okay? So, but I folded it in half to make it a little bit more manageable. So I put it down, and then I'm going to unfold it. And there we go. And then we're going to just smooth out our napkin onto our plate. And next thing is, and I know this seems counterintuitive, but I sand off the edges now before I put the next layer of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on, just because it's going to wind up shifting and get really, it'll wind up smearing and tearing if you wait after, if that makes any sense. So anyway, so then I put my dishwasher safe Mod Podge on, making sure that I get around those little nubby parts and I get on the edges and all of the things. Go all the way around. Again, it's not a wicked thick layer, but it's certainly covering it all. There it is. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Let that dry. That's key. Gotta let it dry. Be patient. And look at this. How beautiful, right? But then many of you in the comments suggested that I let it dry and then I paint it with white on the back. So I'm like, you know what? I loved the way it looked, but let's try. Let me trust you because y'all are so brilliant. Like, fine, let's see what we got. So I'm painting it with a chalk paint. I think it's Folk Art. I think that's the brand. I don't know. It's just a chalk paint. And I'm just going over it. Yes, I am using a makeup brush. I use makeup brushes all the time to paint. Get them at Dollar Tree all the time. Anyways, just paint the back. Easy peasy. Again, there's a lot of nubbies on the back. So it's going to take just a little bit to kind of get in all the nooks and crannies. But it's fine. You can do it. It's not a big deal. And we go all the way around. And you're going to want to make sure you let this dry fully. If you don't let it dry fully, then it's going to smear and all the things if you try to put your dishwasher safe Mod Podge on it after. Does that make sense? So make sure you get all of the edges too. That was the other thing that sometimes I forget. So just make sure you do that. Go all over it. This is also the reason why it's important that you let your first layer of dishwasher safe Mod Podge dry. Because if you don't, this could seep into your napkin and then it'll smear. So we want no smearing. So here it is dried. And I'm going to flip it over. And are you kidding me? Look, you're right again. Thank you, my brilliant people. I mean, come on. Brilliance. It looks so good. It looks so vibrant. I love it. All right, so now that's all dry. We're going to hit it again with another layer of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Now listen, I'm going to tell you right now, you can hand wash dishwasher safe Mod Podge once it's dry for like 24 hours. You can hand wash. If you want this to go in the dishwasher, you got to let it dry for like 21 days. But look at how pretty this is. Are you kidding me? You could use this for anything. You don't have to use it for a candle. I did, because look at how adorable that is. But would this not be cute for a little thing for your jewelry or your change? Or you could put it on your picnic table and put other things on it. I'm just saying. It's super cute. It's super summery, and I love it. Anyways, thank you again, friends, for watching, and thank you for your suggestions. I appreciate you. All right, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.